This is a Android application that is, see here you have to type a name, embedded world. Okay, as soon you type the name first, here you're getting, just click on this. Yeah, see the first one. Okay, education Harvard Media. So this is the one, and the logo is also like this, the black color. The channel name, see the same. You can give install. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, so I'll just give on open, and it is secure. Okay, there is not kind of any malware, or the protection is there. Mm, yeah, so same here, I can give the mobile number. Yes, so yeah, see, we got, and same how we have the user interface on the iOS, the same way you'll have the course. All right, so here you have the course. Yeah, so this is our no, the owner login, right? So my login, so that's why it is showing here the earnings and all. As of now, only two people have been enrolled, because I think morning only have been launched this completely and gave some information. That's why. Okay, so that's not, that is, these are all not a matter for you. And in this, whatever you want, you can go and purchase. Okay, so that's it. In future also there will be so many courses will be added upon, but the premium course will contain all. Say for example, software testing is a one course that will be added separately, and that will be different cost, but under premium it will be included. Okay, so this is a way you can just, and if you want to chat to me, you can see here, you can have, so you can chat to me. All right, so this also you can get, so some immediate things and all, and live, whatever the live we are going to conduct, it will be in this only, in the application only. All right, the live will not be able to upload in our website, because these app is completely protected. We cannot able to take anything out from this. So that's all about this Android.